Hi everyone, how are you guys? So it's been 3 months since we planted our potato that looks like this, and we just planted them in a pot, and here's what they look like. So I think these 2 pots are ready to be harvested, and as you can see, I got 2 more, and I wanted to go ahead and plant those. So let's go ahead and harvest and dump those buckets. Look, can you see it? It's a little froggy. I thought it was a snake. I was so scared. But it's a little froggy. I got so many little frogs around the garden. I'll walk you guys around a little bit too and show you what's going on. So, okay, I'm going to try and put you down where you can see what we're going to get. I want to make sure you guys can see. Okay, yeah, this is good. This is good right here. Yeah, this is good. Rained last night, so that's from one potato. All right, so this guy, is it any better? Probably not. Let's see. Okay, it's that one. Not too good, you guys. Pretty good size. That's it. That's it. Oh, that's not good. That's not much. Okay, that's our potato harvest. They're not big, but they'll do. They will do. So, but here's our garden. Here's our garden, and they're looking real good. I had to put the shade over to them because the heat gets so hot sometimes, and it really dries up the plants. So like this used to be so beautiful and full, but the sun dried them up. So, but now they're coming back. So here's what we got. We got some carrots here. They're popping. That's a Korean cantaloupe back there. We got some cucumber. They're starting to produce some fruit there, so that's good. This lots of zinnias and what kind of flower is this? I forget the name of it. Anyways, here's what we got. Papayas. This were the papaya from the seeds that I shared with you guys that I've been saving. So they're doing good. They're starting to blossom. So we're gonna get some papaya soon. I mean papaya. Bitter melon. What am I saying? This is the papaya. I have 2, one in each side of my but see, look at this. It's dried up from the sun. That's why I had to put the shade on them, and they're loving it. Back there I put some more peas, and so they're doing good. And over here are all the peppers we started from the inside the house. So I finally put them out here, and they're doing good. I put some more beans here, and I planted some more daikon. These are my onions, and this is spinach. This row right here is spinach, and my stand is stuck on my net. There we go. And over here is cilantro. These are my garlic. I don't know if they're getting too much water or whatnot, but oh, they don't look good. I hope they don't die. I bought those from Gilroy 2 years ago, and so I'm hoping I can grow them. We will see. But this is what I have on the side of the house. There's another papaya over here. So I have some ginger. My battery is blinking at me, so I'm not going to be able to show you guys much. I planted some okra here and another one here, And then this row right here are corn. And over here, I want to show you guys. I don't know how much I can share, but the squash is doing really good. Okras are starting to show. Look, we're gonna have okra soon. This is the red one. Okay, these are probably the tiniest corn you will ever see. I keep laughing at it because I don't know how much corn I'm gonna get. But the funny thing is, each and every corn, they have cobs. They're producing some corn. So I don't know what kind of corn we're gonna get out of this, guys. So you guys, but that's why I planted some more on that side, because I think the soil here is so bad from the root of the palm trees. So I'm gonna have to reconsider planting some vegetables on this section. But the pepper from last year is coming back, and it's actually got some blossom. And this one is still skinny. Here the dog, they're trying this. And then this is the shishito pepper. We're gonna have to harvest them soon and start eating them. Last year's Thai chili pepper, and this is cantaloupe. And there's actually cantaloupe fruit here. They're just really tiny, so I'm excited about that. Well, back in the old house, I planted cantaloupe, and they turned out so yummy, so I wanted to plant some more. Anyways, so I just really wanted to harvest those potatoes and share with you guys what kind of harvest we get. Not a whole lot, but there's our avocados. These are our blueberries. This is my tuberose. Oh, you guys, if you haven't smelled a tuberose, you have to. It came from Hawaii, and it's just so beautiful. Taro root, I'm able to plant from, I bought some from the grocery store, and I just saved it and planted it here, and it's doing really good. And this is our tomato. See, this is really hot. I thought it was gonna rain all day today, but it didn't. That's why I took the shades off, but it's not too hot right now. So more bell peppers, and tomato. These are the tomatoes that we grew inside. That one is beef steak tomato or something like that, and I got that at Armstrong Garden. So, but this tomato right here, we planted inside. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to share you guys the potato harvest. It's not too bad, I guess. I was hoping for a little bit more, but for a little, I don't know, what is that, 5-gallon pot? I guess that's not too bad. It just kind of grew. It died down really fast for me. So, but anyways, we have a little bug right here. Get you out of there. Oh, I think I just smashed it. So, but anyways, that's what we have. So, alright, I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll be chatting with you again really soon. Bye bye for now. Take care.